up guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video we're going to be doing a little cam install and timing chain install on the motor you have right here. So let me show you some of the parts that I have for it. So we got the cam, it is a custom grind cam for turbo. We got the timing chain, double roller. This one does come with a thrust bearing for the cam plate. We got timing cover, gaskets, bolts, some sockets, and torque wrench. So let's get to it. All right guys, let's get to installing this cam. Let's try to finish this motor. All right, I got the cam here. Make sure it's all nice and lubed. You don't want a dry startup, so try to lube it as much as you can. Don't be scared. I like to use a screwdriver at the end to try to help me maneuver the cam in. Nice and careful. So now we're going to be installing the cam plate. With this cam plate comes with a thrust bearing, as you can see. I like to put a little bit of Loctite on the bolts. Nothing crazy. These go torque to 8 to 10 pounds. All right, now we're gonna do timing chain. I like to put this bolt just to help me hold the cam. was having a little trouble putting the sprocket in. As you can see, I had to use a little bit of force. Didn't scratch it or anything, so I don't know why it was so tight. Maybe the keyway, but I'm not cutting the keyway. Just a little bit of thread locker. Don't go crazy. And this one goes to torque down to 45, if I'm correct. Hands are all slippery. Let's see if I could get 45 without it turning, and I'm gonna have to put something in here just to stop it from spinning. So we got timing chain on, cam on. Like I said, the sprocket was a little bit tight on there, but it didn't make no marks on the crank, so I'm just guessing the keyway was a little bit probably too high, but it went in. Alright guys, now we're going to be installing the timing chain cover. I still don't have a water pump. I don't know if I should go mechanical or electric water pump. Let me know in the comments what do you guys think is better, to go electric or manual water pump. Water pump gaskets, we're not going to use these right now. They said we were running a mechanical fuel pump, which we're not. And then we got the seal for the front right here. And then these are for the bottom, for the oil pan, which I'm not going to use these. I got a one-piece oil pan gasket that I'll be using instead of these right here. I like to rub a little bit of silicone. It helps it grease up, and then it helps it seal better, which technically you don't need it. Alright guys, I had to get the right seal. I had to go buy the right seal. Alright, let's get back to getting this together. At least try to finish putting on the timing cover, and then tomorrow focus on the bottom end. Oil pump, not oil pump, sorry, the oil pan. And if I had time, we'll do the heads.
putting some silicone on the timing cover and motor.
Just snug them all for now. So we'll let it dry up a little bit and then torque it down. I know it's missing these bolts, but these go on the water pump. So as long as it gets a tight seal with the silicone, it should be good. So there you have it, guys. We did cam, timing chain, and timing cover. Tomorrow's video we'll be doing the oil pan. So let me know what you guys thought about the video. I'm not a professional. I know probably missed some steps or did something different than everyone wants to do. But let me know what you guys thought. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.